Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue chapter similarity. I am Mr. Shinde DH from TG Gosavi Vidyalaya Vithalwadi. First we have to recall the property, then we introduce the proof of basic proportionality theorem. The ratio of area of two triangles with equal height is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. That means if two triangle have equal height, then the ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to corresponding their bases. Therefore we take in this triangle ABC, we draw a segment AD such that point D lies on the side BC. Here we get a two triangle. ABD is the first triangle and ADC is the second triangle. BD is the base of first triangle. Let we write B1, and the base of second triangle, that is triangle ADC, is B2. These two bases lies on the same line BC, and the opposite vertex of the base is common. Therefore we say that these two triangles have equal height. We draw a altitude from the vertex A to the side BC. Therefore this is the height of triangle ABD. Also this is the height of triangle ADC. Therefore that means these two triangles have a same height. Therefore area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC is equal to base BD upon base DC, because these two triangles have equal height. That means area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC is equal to B1 upon B2. Let us learn basic proportionality theorem, very important theorem. The statement of this theorem is, if a line parallel to a side of triangle intersect the remaining side into distinct point, then the line divides the side in proportion. Therefore we have given a triangle. In this triangle ABC, line L is parallel to side BC. This line L intersect AB at point P and intersect AC at point Q. This is the given. We write this given from the figure. Which triangle is given? Triangle ABC is given. Which line is parallel to the side? Line L is parallel to the side BC. And this line L intersect side AB and side AC at point P and Q respectively. To prove, this line L divides the side AB and side AC in proportion. That means this side AB divides the segment AB in two parts. The first part is PA and second part is PB. Also, this side AC divides the line L in two parts. That means AP upon PB. This ratio is equal to AQ upon QC. We have to show this. To prove this, we have to construct. First we have to join point B and Q. That means draw a segment BQ. Also draw a segment CP. That means we have to prove that AP upon PB. Therefore we have to take a triangle with the side AP, and this triangle is nothing but triangle APQ. Say the first triangle. And we take a triangle with side PB. that means we read this triangle from PB. Therefore PBQ, this triangle. Observe, for this two triangle, the base AP of the first triangle and the base of second triangle, that means BP, lies on same line. Observe again, the base of first triangle is AP and base of second triangle is PB, lies on the same line AB, and opposite vertex of the base is Q, which is common. Therefore these two triangles have equal height. Also, that means area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PBQ is equal to AP upon PB. Then we find this ratio AP upon PB. Now we have to find out the ratio AQ upon QC. That means we have to, AQ is the side of first triangle. That means AQP. And QC is the side of this triangle PQC. And these two triangles have base AQ and base QC lies on the same line AC, and opposite vertex of both base P is common. Therefore in this condition we say that these two triangles have equal height, and we know that if these two triangles have equal height, then ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Therefore area of 1 upon area of 3 is equal to B3 upon B4. Then we find out this ratio. We write the proof. Now we take we have to find out the ratio AP upon PB. Therefore we take a two triangle, the triangle with the side AP, that means this triangle APQ, and the triangle with the side PB is PBQ. These two triangles have common vertex Q. These two triangles have a common vertex Q, and their bases, suppose B1, and the base of second triangle is BP, lies on the same line AB. Therefore we say that they have equal height. We know that if the two triangles have equal height, then ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Therefore the area of first triangle divided by area of second triangle is equal to base AP upon base PB. Then we write this first statement, why the triangle having equal height. इथं लक्षात घ्या, आपल्याला AP अपॉन PB हा रेशो काढायचा आहे. म्हणजेच इथे आपण काय केलेलं आहे, AP साइड असलेला ट्रायंगल घेतलाय की तो फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल आहे, आणि PB साइड असलेला ट्रायंगल घेतलाय तो सेकंड आहे. यांची ह्या दोन AP आणि PB साइड लाइज ऑन द सेम लाइन AB, आणि अपोजिट व्हर्टेक्स Q हा कसा आहे, कॉमन आहे. आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे की या कंडिशन मध्ये दोन्ही ट्रायंगलची हाईट सेम येणार आहे, आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे हाईट जर सेम असेल तर त्यांचा एरियाचा रेशो हा त्यांच्या करस्पॉन्डिंग बेसच्या इक्वल असतो. त्याप्रमाणे आपण इथं फाइंड आउट केले AP अपॉन PB. वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट AQ upon QC. Therefore we take a triangle again APQ having a side AQ, and the third triangle we take, this is the third triangle PQC with the side QC, and this side lies on the same line AC. These two triangles have a common vertex P, and base AQ and base QC lies on the same line AC. Therefore they have equal height. Therefore area of first triangle upon area of third triangle, that means area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle AQC is equal to AQ upon QC. This is the second statement, a triangle having equal height. Now for these two triangle second and triangle third, these two triangle, the third triangle is PBQ, the second triangle is PBQ, and third triangle is PQC. Both triangle lies into a parallel line because we have given line L is parallel to the side BC. That means the second triangle and third triangle lies in the parallel line and they have a common base PQ. Therefore, we say that they have common base, that means base is equal, and these two triangle lies in between the parallel line. Therefore, they have equal height also. That means these two triangle have equal height, equal base. Therefore, they have equal area. Therefore, area of second triangle is equal to area of third triangle. That means the area of two triangle having equal base and equal height is equal. From third, we say that denominator of first equation and denominator of second equation is same. Also, numerator same. That means LHS of first and second equation is same. If the LHS is same, then RHS is also same. Therefore, RHS of first equation is AP upon PB. And RHS of second equation, that means AQ upon QC is equal. Therefore, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Hence, we prove this theorem. Now, the converse of basic proportionality theorem. If a line divides any two sides of triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. What is given? A line divides two sides of triangle in same ratio. Then this theorem says this line is parallel to the third side. We take this triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, this line L divides the side AB and AC in same ratio. That means 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 4. This is given. That means this line PQ divides the side AB and side AC in equal ratio. That means AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Therefore, we say that this line PQ is parallel to third side BC. Therefore, line L is parallel to BC or line PQ is parallel to BC. This is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. These two theorems are very important. Minimum 1 mark. The question of 1 mark is asked on these two theorems. Today we learned basic proportionality theorem and its proof. Also, corners of basic proportionality theorem. We will see problems on the basic proportionality theorem in the next video. So subscribe to my channel and also like and share this video.